Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition with a product that's creating quite the buzz: the Kachava All-in-One Nutrition Shake Blend. And let me tell you, if you're on the hunt for the best protein shake for weight loss, especially for the ladies out there, you're in for a treat. Now, what sets the Kachava All-in-One Nutrition Shake Blend apart from the rest? Well, let's break it down. First off, this isn't just your ordinary protein shake. It's a powerhouse of nutrition packed with over 85 superfoods, nutrients, and plant-based ingredients. And ladies, listen up. It's specifically tailored to support weight loss goals while keeping you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. But here's the kicker. It comes in a variety of delicious flavors, from the indulgent chocolate to the refreshing coconut acai and the subtly earthy matcha. So whether you're a chocolate lover or a fan of tropical flavors, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk about what's inside. Each serving of Kachava packs a whopping 25 grams of plant-based protein, along with adaptogens, functional mushrooms, probiotics, prebiotic fiber, omegas, and MCTs, all the good stuff your body craves. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the taste, energy, and quality of this meal replacement beverage. From feeling focused and full to experiencing a noticeable boost in energy, the reviews speak for themselves. So there you have it, folks. The Kachava All-in-One Nutrition Shake Blend, the best protein shake for weight loss females can get their hands on. With its nutrient-packed formula, delicious flavors, and rave reviews, it's a game-changer in the world of nutrition. Stay tuned for more honest reviews and product recommendations right here on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest updates. Until next time, happy sipping!